Yeah, I'll give you some Melissa report. Update on me here upon the news. Yeah. Money problem coming soon. Okay? Yeah. Respect we still have to promote. Yeah man, me I hear something upon the news sad to say how much people get hurt and lose them house. That's why I see me put my things them in a bag. Back up and show the lads and I fear him and him spare my house stop still. Maybe me just I hear this man who man afford. Me and I used to go solo for each other. Used to meet at Saturday, sit down round me. On sale and just say, boardhouse gone. When it come to, we say something castle, catching or something like that. Full of water, house to water, so so enough bad man we bad wash right. Two people dead there somewhere in a Montego Bay. Westmoreland. 9 people dead in a Dayton Campbell community. So PNP and JP get it. But they have to unite and come together. So say small office consists of all our file and mash up card. So you can't say what PNP and what JP. Them things they on computer still. Here the ALs, me and my ball females can't talk. Them need help down there, down at Trelawney. St. Elizabeth, Black River get bad. Because I just hear police have fire shot on the news where for disperse a crowd where I try to loot the store them now for food, you understand? After it gone. So it's a dangerous thing, the Almighty. This is when Jesus Christ did walk through the earth. And Jesus Christ went unto the temple. A church, 200-year-old Anglican church, gone. A Westmoreland, Black River. And Jesus Christ went unto the temple of God and cast out all them that sold and bought in the temple, and overthrew the table of the money and chargers and the seat of them that sold up, and said unto them, see in this hour, Matthew 21. And he said unto them, it is written, my house shall be called the house of prayer, but ye have made it the dens of thieves. Five in the storm, Melissa, mean thief. Everybody knows a five mean thief. And everybody knows a peer thieving and just the thing that go on. So we just show you, so we not use no Bible justify nothing. But we just show you certain things, say, other guy that impartial church in this judgment here. Understand? So we give thanks, praise the man nation, praise the man people. Merciful and kindness towards us. The truth of the Lord endure forever. I'm saying to ever and ever to our generation. All young people them will still now believe the Almighty, but believe him to the board alone and the money. I leave my yard from hurricane until that Friday. Because if you have money for you move around and there and full up my space for take things. Now when people all stop because people send on the come here. We still have to eat, it cost me 21,000 per year. With good friends and whatever. Food. Close them selling a plastic bag. I still can't believe that even a branch out of a tree let me call. Bless the Almighty Lord. You want to say dance. With the rain and the thunder. I put on something else and I push for the chair. See, so God is good. See? A brand new Christmas. Happy is the people's God is the Lord. Yeah. Too much religion. Praise your man, nation, all people. I will never die, I'm the Lord. Bless.